Hey guys, welcome to one of my editing tutorials. Learn how to add a video inside a text. Choose a background of your choice. Click on overlay to add a video. Click on stock videos and select one. Click on text to add a text that you want to appear in your video. Go ahead and choose your desired font style, size and color. In my case, I chose a green color and any of the text fonts that you have available for you. You can go ahead and resize the overlay video that we added for it to fit the screen according to your liking. Do the same for the text and resize it. Pick a color of your text. In my case, I chose the green color. Once you're done, go ahead and export the video. Go back to the same video and delete the text and also delete the overlay video that we had put before. Click on overlay to add the video that we had just exported. Resize it according to your liking on your screen. Click on blend and choose overlay to give it the effect that you want, since we want the video to appear inside the text. You can go and add any animations that you would like to appear in your video however you want. And that is how you make a video appear inside a text in your video production. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel for more videos coming soon.